Dear expected parents and parents of toddlers, as you embark on this profound journey of parenthood, you are not just nurturing a child, you are shaping the future. The choices you make today echo through the generations, influencing not only your child's life but also the lives of those who come after them. What we are talking about is the complete transformation of the world. This is the essence of conscious parenting, particularly through the lenses of epigenetics. Epigenetics teaches us that while our genes provide the blueprint for life, it is the environment that determines how these genes are expressed. This means that your love, your actions, your environment can profoundly influence your child's development as a molecular level. It's a powerful reminder that parenting is not just about providing for children's physical needs, but also about nurturing their emotional and psychological well being. Imagine your child is a garden. The seeds are just their genetic makeups. That's it, what you sowed. But the soil, water, and sunlight, their environment are what allow them to flourish. Every hug, every word of encouragement, every moment of patience and understanding is like sunlight and water, nurturing their growth and resilience. Conscious parenting asks you to be present, to be aware of your own emotions, responses, and reactions, and to understand how these affect your child. It challenges you to break free from your own patterns of the past and to create a nurturing environment that fosters love, security, and growth. It also changes us, transforms us when we get a child or we are expecting a child. Whatever our past traumas, past thoughts, if we conscious parenting, if we really apply to our lives, it's not only we are changing the lives of our children, but changing the lives of ourselves. This is not only, and actually, this is not always easy. It requires introspection, patience, and sometimes the courage to change. As you hold your child, whether in your arms or in your womb, remember that you are their first teacher. Your actions teach them how to love, how to cope with stress, and how to interact with the world, the real life problems. By being mindful of your own behaviors and emotions, you're setting the stage for their ideological and lifelong health and happiness. This journey will be filled with challenges and triumphs, tears and laughter. There will be days when you feel overwhelmed, and that's okay. Remember that perfection is not the goal, presence is. Be kind to yourself and know that every effort you make towards conscious parenting is a step towards a brighter future for your child. In the and second part of your life, it's a sacred role that you're going to play. You have the power to shape not just a life, but a legacy. Embrace it with love. intention, and the knowledge that you are making a difference in a way that are both profound and lasting. With heartful support, your number one conscious parenting coach. My name is Jayant Gandhi, and I'm the founder of Conscious Parenting Hub and Conscious Parenting Living. Again, you can reach out to me anytime, anytime. I'm there to support you. Thank you.